So in case you wanted to create images that have type, that have a little bit of perspective in it, just like this example, basically what it is an image and you have your text that has been kind of adjusted. So I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to turn on the original editable text. So I'm just going to use my type tool. I just used a very basic font, Myriad Pro. And you could change it to whatever you want to do. So I'm just gonna choose any one of these. And what I would have to do is I'm going to right click and I could convert to Smart Object. And when I bring up my bounding box, so I'm gonna press Command T, right? There is more than one way I could do. I can scale it up or down, but also if I go to edit transform, you have different options here too. You do have perspective. However, I find that, I'll show you how it works. I find that it's not as, it does some perspective. So depending on where you go. So all I did was bring it out and that's basically as far as it goes. Now, I could also change my tools. If I don't want to use perspective anymore, I could use scale. I can shorten it a little. I can move it. That's basically it. I could also use transform. I could use distort or skew. Skew is also helpful. It adds a bit more angle if you needed to, just to show you what it does. Okay, and if you are okay with it, I'm going to move it a little more so it's somewhere here. Then I would just press enter or return or on the check mark at the top to release it. And that is basically how you do perspective on type.